Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see the unboxing of Sony WF-C700N earbuds. Let's start the video. This earbud I got free in the combo of Sony ZV-E10 camera. So let's open the box. In the front of the box, the texture of the Sony branding is given. In the box, we'll get the charging case as well as the earbuds, Type C to Type A cable, and the paperworks. So let's keep aside. If you see, the quality of the case is very good. In the back, we'll get the charging port, and the front Sony branding is given. We'll see the color option. All type of color option is available in the Amazon, and the price is around the 5,000 to 6,000. In the offer, we'll get this around 3,000 to 4,000. And next we'll see the specification. This earbud has 4.6 gram of weight and it is the waterproof. The battery charge time is around 3 hours and the charging method is Type C to Type A. In the regular charging, we can charge with our charger. So it has the noise cancellation. Pairing, we need to press the Bluetooth pairing button and we can pair it with our phone. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and thank you.